Namaskara, Namaskara, Namaskara. Welcome to weekly analysis of all the index Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Finnifty. I hope you're doing good and thanks for watching and please supporting all the videos which was posted in last week. Please keep on like, share, and also please start commenting below what type of video you are expecting in upcoming videos so we get more motivation to give lot of levels. So all the last week analysis were super hit levels, super money profitably. I think everybody has made. So I told you very clearly in Nifty coming to the point when it breaks this point automatically you'll get a short sell from here approximately till here. If you take 18,000 to 17,500 ranges, almost to 500 points correction, right? 500 points, you got a beautiful correction. But is this some complete market crash? What is the situation? What is the thing? People don't understand the valuation and also the volatility and what the market ratio is. First thing I'll tell you, market is always supreme and volatility is always happen in the market. Don't feel that this is the first time market has fallen like this. I have seen thousand times. I have not seen 100 times. I have seen thousands of times market, all the global markets, lot of things, positions which has been drastically. So coming to the point, all the banking sectors were looking weak on the sell-off, and lot of crisis happened with all the banking stocks, specifically Adani news. But I tell you, people who don't know about practically about Adani or the group of stocks, how it happens, how can we deal with it, and also what is the capacity and what is the volatility, valuation, credibility, incredibility, all the things without knowing anything. Don't be so stupid. Example, if we take Ambuja Cements, example, I'll show you. Just give me a second. So we'll explain in shorter time frame chart. So shorter time frame will be given to you. So actually, the master chart I've shared you in the Twitter and also on the Telegram. Exactly, it was a master line. It was a master line. This complete charting system is for completely for YouTube and education. I kept it. So master chart is completely different, which can't be shown to everyone. Only for students and also live trading members. It's available. So for exactly from here example, let's take it in a hourly time frame. Let's take it in a hourly time frame. So from here to here, market to come down. Let's take a time zone. How much time it has taken to come down? Let's take the point over here. Till coming till here, it's 24% down, right? From top to bottom, it's 455. It came to 345. So let's take it 24%. How many percent you would have captured? How many percent? Approximately 15% you have captured. How many hours? 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. Let's take like 3.5 hours match. So let's keep it in the 15 minutes time frame. So it will be a little easy for you to understand. From here to here, it was a deep come down. But I gave you perfectly before it bounced back when it was here itself. When it was here itself, I gave you the chart. The golden line, it will bounce. So exactly at this golden line, it bounced back. How many percent bounce? Let's check it out. See, from here to here to come down 25%, it took 3.5 hours time. But from bottom to top, if you check it out like 14.5%, let's take it a magnet and exact it will give you 15% movement. Let's take not 15%. I think some error is there. 1 second. It's not 15, 14.5%. Yeah, 14.25% movement. Let's take it. You captured even 10% on it. How much? 10% also. You are great. Reason number one, I will tell you. First thing, the time and the duration which took to bounce back. If you take it in smaller time frame, you'll know more better. See, the time and duration to go for 12% or 10% recovery was just the 20 minutes. In front of coming to the point from here to here, let's take 3.5 hours, 3 hours, 15 minutes also. Like if we take 200 minutes versus 20 minutes, who is the winner? 20 minutes is the winner. So I was not at all interested in short selling the stock market. I was very interested in covering my shorts and also rebuying it in proper area. So that was a fantastic trade. If I'm not wrong, even 400 calls were trading at 18 rupees, 20 rupees ranges, which from it bounced back completely to 32, 33 ranges easily from this point. So that was a very beautiful trade which we took on Friday. So I don't care about what people do. I always look at other side of the market. Don't be foolish on short selling completely. So stocks, very conservatively, we want to look at the stocks is HDFC has a good support system, so it doesn't crash actually. So 2% is nothing, zero, no big deal. But thing is, they are trying to get a correction mode. They are trying to get a correction. See, if you see in a very long time frames, see, market has done an outperforming status. A lot of gaps were there. So when the people are enjoying this gap within filled up, it went a bull rally. When you are enjoying, you also start trying to learn to enjoy corrections. So specifically, investors keep in the mind. So example, if you are holding complete lot size of HDFC Bank, you can obviously write down your calls and you can make money in case if there is a sell off also. Don't worry, Indian market long term it's highly hybridly bullish. So they have lot of gaps. You can see till 1400 they have the gaps. So who is going to fill these gaps? When it's going to fill this gap? They may or they may not. But still, I'll tell you, just cool. Just be very calm and go for it. As a trader perspective, I'm telling you, I just sit on the index maximum. I don't actually trade on, very well about stocks. But still, I tried to work on stock because it was a short covering. I know definitely it's going to short cover at a golden area. So same thing happened, and also Nifty also has a good bounce from here. You can see I gave the levels also last video. If you check it out, you see automatically below 1.6 unit Fibonacci. A beautiful correction, right? It's a beautiful correction. So if in case if you have a good idea, knowledge, and take on this level, definitely you would have made some super money, super money. At least 250 points. I will not say 100% you shorted a year that and all. I'll tell you, looking at the rejection points if you have traded also, beautiful money. And also some contra trades we took that also highly profitable. That already I showed you many times. And where can Nifty head? And also see the Bank Nifty. Let's take Bank Nifty also. See the Bank Nifty perspective. See the Bank Nifty. Exactly from there, breaken, swap, swing, again a correction mode. Again a correction. Till where it has corrected, breaking the Fibonacci point, it came down to 0.168 Fibonacci level. So it's a very beautiful term. I can say it's a very beautiful Fibonacci based trading. Easily you can trade. So I hope you utilize this level in the last video which I've given you. And this week also, I'm not hybridly shorting the market or something. I look at the perspective and do it. So as positional based, I have done some too much of uh, things and covering it up. So it's all a positional base. It's not 1 month, 2 months. It's like 3 months contract based. We work on it. So as a trader, day trader basis, please look at the chart. Don't simply short sell. If you take a longer time frame, what has happened? Oversold positions are there. So they can little bounce back from here to here, and then they can correct also. They may not correct also. It completely depend upon them. Okay, so hope this idea is very clear for you. Please don't go behind all the people who are doing. See, the wicks are very high. I'll tell you, wicks are super raised up very good. So volatility is there. Premium is too much. Means premium is over. Means example, the valuation itself is like example. On Friday, I was expecting 400 rupees valuation premium of option was trading at 800 rupees. So 400 rupees excess premium. So that is not suitable for a trader to hold the trades and go home because no idiotic theories. Even monthly expiries were good compared to weekly expiries. Weekly expiries were too much priced than monthly expiries. So keeping in the mind, see next gap is there over here. This gap is not completely filled. It takes, let's say, if it filled also, let's 1.618, it can bounce back from here to here. It can completely bounce back also. I'm really telling you, Indian market is totally different than any other markets in the world. Any other markets in the world. So please be cautious in trading in Indian markets. Know everything. Even knowing everything, sometimes it will give you some shocks. Okay, it's some lot of shocks. See, till 38,800 we have gaps, and below that also we may have gaps here. Lot of gaps are there. 36,000 we have gaps. 35,000 we have gaps. See here again 34,000 we have. See, there are gaps are a lot of places. I'm not telling there are no gaps in the market. So that doesn't mean that they want to go and fill it. See, even Bank Nifty has 3000 rupees gaps. Somewhere at 3000 rupees, if you take out the 20 years chart, you'll get that gap there also. But it is never filled. Same in Nifty also. Example. So don't care too much about that and all. So work on the methods. What are the support resistance technically, and keep on working on your analytics. So keep on working on your database. Okay. So please be cautious. If it breaks this area and sustains, even for 2 to 5 minutes, then I can see fatafat downfall from here to here. Easily 39,613 is the next area, and 39,038,800 is a very important area, I can say. So important zones, I can say. So these are all the zones which are in the bottom area. Upper zone is very beautiful. It's very clear cut. 40,000 area, 4,800 and above areas are there. So please work on. Let's see how it's going to pan out upcoming week. Coming to Finnifty, Finnifty was something beautiful. Like we don't trade in Finnifty maximum number of days except expiry because we don't have volume, continuity of the volume. So somewhere if it forgets to hit back, so it will be nasty thing in trading on Finnifty. So obviously the option contracts are very less which I've traded and compared it to any other big index. So Nifty and Bank Nifty. So please be cautious on what you're trading, particularly option contracts what you're trading. I don't recommend or suggest anyone to go naked trading specifically on this high volatile market. So work on the practical thinking. So coming to the Nifty, where Nifty can head. Nifty 17,350, 17,288, and 17,031. These are the important major areas. And below that, you know very well how it's in this area. So how it can travel also. I hope everybody got a point. So easily it can work out. Bottom areas, upper areas, subscale areas, it's a bounce back areas. So you know very well how would triangle breakout was there. We call it as a transient breakout also. So from the breakout, I was not at all interested. Even on Tuesday, I was telling every high, if it's open high also, I'll be looking down for sell. So that was happened here very well in a very good perspective, so that it was like very easy to capitalize and make money on it. So it was like practically it was a cutoff and it was a drop. Okay, so don't worry about all these newses and all, because news is like, see, they blast out the news only after the short sell the market. They didn't short sell the market today or yesterday. They already have short sold the market in the highs, in the top areas, not coming at here and here. They don't do it. They just push the market down so that people will get panicked. You sell it too much, so they cover your positions as a short position, so they will cover your short. So don't be foolish. A hidden bar कुछ को कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Means example I will tell you. So whatever the money they have, even we have the money power. So everybody has money power. It's not that one guy or 10 people can make the whole industry. So remember that. We have seen big players also in the industry. So let's see how it's going to be on coming to the stocks. Reliance is supportive stock. It has also not sold off very much, but lot of rejection areas. From rejection areas getting corrected. Let's see how it's going to pan out. It's also in a some complete different zone. You can see these areas have become like consolidation zone. So let's see how it's going to work out. And specifically Bank Nifty, be very cautious at this area. So particularly coming to this point, this is the very important area. I still repeat it. This is going to be the most tricky some area. This is going to be the most tricky zone. This is the most tricky zone. They may go in flat also, completely flat also, and they may do a short covering or fresh sell. You just need to hold a breath. Okay, as a day trader, always look at the daily percentage, 2 to 3% per day. If you're doing, it's well and good. I hope you like this video and also understood some important details about index. So upcoming week, this is the situation. And if you are a stock trader coming to the HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, everything, so I think there is not too much panic except ICICI Bank. There was a little extra short sell, but I don't think it's going to be like what's the correction mode. I'll just check it out. So it's coming to here from top to bottom. It has corrected like 15% odd. Yeah, it may correct another. It may, if they break down these levels and areas, I think easily they will look down for it. So these areas are going to be like very important zones for now. So coming to the point over here, here till here to here, it will be very important zone. So below this, automatically, you know very well, next support zones, a lot of gaps are there. See, here also there is a gap. Here, here, here. See, these areas are gapped areas. So it depends. It depends on complete market mode, and also specifically elections are there, budget is there. A lot of things are there, guys. So don't be so out of box in the markets. So know it well, what you're working, why you're shorting, why you're buying, and then take a trade. On weekly perspective, if you take a daily chart, also little oversold positions we are in, and in ICICI, and even Nifty also, I think near to oversold areas, it's coming down. And if you take it weekly, no, we have a lot of time. It has a lot of time, but I tell you, this is the golden era of the market. I don't know what's happening in the market, but it's okay, its corrections are okay, but easily I think this area is my area where it want to touch up 17,200 ranges. 228 is something missing point. This is a missing area for me. So I hopefully, I think they will touch this point. Hopefully, they will touch this point. Tomorrow, they may or may not, or in future also they can do. They may not also. It's a untest point, I can say. So based on that, I can say that okay, these guys are going to do something, including Bank Nifty, the same places. I will tell you this 39,600. It's easy cakewalk. See, market more than Nifty has fallen 200 points. Bank Nifty corrected 1,300 points. So it's five times then Nifty it has fallen, and also the growth was the five times only. It was very good growth. Means fastest move upside. So hope you got an understanding. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the video. And also, I recommend and I don't suggest, please consult your financial advisor before taking any real trades in the market. So you don't need to pay a hybrid cost on all the subscription and all, and for softwares and all, and don't trade it. So if you want, you can opt it for AI trading. If you are interested, I have shared the details already. So thank you so much and have a wonderful week ahead. Please be cautious while shorting the market. Know where the market is going to stop, and then know your bottom first before selling the top. Okay, know your bottoms, ranges, next range, next range, next range, where it can take reversal. So know it better and then take a bigger action. So thank you so much for your time and patience watching. Jai Hind. See you in my next video. Bye bye.